Creating breathtaking thumbnails that triple your views and traffic with Thumbnail Blaster is a piece of cake. The first thing that you need to do is select a video from your YouTube account. For this example, I will go with this video, with my dog, Hera. The default thumbnail, well, sucks. So let's create a new thumbnail for this video using Thumbnail Blaster. All you have to do is click on Next, and as you can see, the artificial intelligence algorithm analyzed our video and suggested us these 3 thumbnail templates. Of course, if you want, you can close this and select one thumbnail manually from the huge list we have in Thumbnail Blaster. In this case, I will go with this thumbnail. It looks great. Click on Load Template, and that's it. Thumbnail Blaster extracted our title, downloaded the original thumbnail, and customized the whole template for us. If we want, we can simply use it as it is and save it. But let me show you how powerful our editor is. First, I will change the fonts for this text. Looks perfect. And I will also change the font for this. And this. Let me add a picture of Hera instead of this puppy. I just select the image from my computer, I flip it, resize it a bit, and that's it. I will also add one cool smiley face from our collections. I simply go to Shapes and select Emojis. Alright, this looks great. Let me rotate it a bit. Perfect. That's it. The thumbnail looks stunning. Let's save this and publish it to YouTube. There it is. The thumbnail that we just created in a few seconds is now published and active on our YouTube video. Let me open YouTube really fast to see how it looks. I will search for Hera Boxer, and here is my video. Just take a look on how it looked before and how it looks now. Amazing, right? Take a look at all these other videos. On what would you click? On the one that has our custom thumbnail, right? You see, it's that easy to triple your click-through rate, your views, and your traffic.